Good morning, guys. Welcome to Progressor's Maths Academy. But in this particular session, we are going to discuss a couple of sums from type 3. This is part 2 video. Okay, chalo. Let us get started and focus on couple of sums. Question 6, part 1. Sin A minus cos A minus 1 upon sin A plus cos A is equals to 2 cos A upon 2 sin square A minus 1. Right, this is one of the easiest sum you can ask for. Just try on your own. Cot square A upon cosec A minus 1 is equal to cosec A. Sure, let us do these two sums. Only 10 sums we are going to focus, so it's a very short video. Just focus, beta. Okay. Let us take LCM, मेरे बच्चा लोग. तो sin A plus cos A minus sin A minus cos A upon sin A minus cos A into 2 cos A upon. But we want to answer with 2 sin square A minus 1, beta. तो cos स्क्वायर को 1 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर लिख दो बेटा. ठीक है बेटा. अंडरस्टूड. वेरी इजी सम. हियर बेटा वेरी नाइस सम. आई जस्ट लाइक दिस सम. बेटा cot स्क्वायर क्या होता है? cosec स्क्वायर A माइनस 1. बेटा cot स्क्वायर क्या होता है? cosec स्क्वायर माइनस 1. फिर cosec स्क्वायर माइनस 1 क्या होता है? cosec प्लस 1 cosec माइनस 1 बेटा अपॉन cosec माइनस 1. So you get cosec A plus 1 minus 1 minus 1 plus 1 got cancelled and you're left with cosec A equals to RHS. अंडरस्टूड मेरा बच्चा लोग. कैसे सॉल्व करते हैं पक्का वाला बेटा. Pause this video and try to solve on your own. It's very easy sums now for you all. In this sum, just remember we started with cot square is cosec square A minus 1. बेटा very easy sum. Come on guys, now तो you can attempt. डिनोमिनेटर में 1 चाहिए तो मैंने क्या सिखाया था आप लोग को? रैशनलाइज. मतलब मल्टीप्लाई न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर विथ 1 माइनस साइन. बेटा a प्लस बी माइनस बी क्या होता है? a स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर होता है. स्प्लिट एलसीएम बेटा. we get sec a minus 10. अंडरस्टूड मेरे बच्चे लोग. वेरी इजी एंड कन्वीनियंट. बेटा this is one of my favorite sum. Just go through this sum. Beta very nice sum. Cos A into 1 plus cot A plus sin A into 1 plus tan A is equals to, we need to prove this is equal to sec A plus cosec A. तो चलो बेटा cot क्या होता है? cos upon sin. sin A upon cos A बेटा. Let us take LCM. sin A plus cos A upon sin A cos A plus sin A upon cos A beta. See beta, as I said, you know, it's my habit and it makes my work very easy. Whenever I observe there are so many terms involved and something can I take common, okay, If you observe sin A plus cos A either B A, sin A plus cos A either B A. If I take sin A plus cos A common, my work becomes easy. What I'm left with then? Cos A upon sin A plus sin A upon cos A. Take LCM beta. Okay. Now split the LCM beta. अंडरस्टूड मेरे बच्चे लोग कैसे करते बेटा guys getting it please pause this video and try to solve sums on your own. Start with the fifth one. Very interesting sum. I just love it. Guys, fifth sum. Very nice sum. Star mark करके रखो बेटा. We need to prove this. Guys, in this particular sum, I'm going to start from RHS. Because I observe with RHS, the thing can become much easier compared to LHS. Okay? You can start from LHS also. But with RHS, the sum becomes very easy. Hence, I'm starting with RHS. Sec A divided by cosec square A minus cosec A divided by sec square A. Convert everything into sin and cos. Convert everything into sin and cos. Okay? तो देखो sec A क्या होता है 1 upon cos है divided by cosec square है 1 upon sin square है 1 upon sin A divided by 1 upon cos square A. This sin square will go up, cos will come down, cos square A will go up, sin A will come down. So it becomes sin square A upon cos A minus cos square A upon sin A. Now take LCM beta. That gives you sin cube A minus cos cube A upon sin A cos A. Okay. Now what is A cube minus B cube? A minus B A square plus B square plus AB upon sin A cos A. If I observe carefully my LHS, I wanted sin minus cos, and here I want 1 plus tan A plus cot A. So I do split the LCM for the remaining term. So sin A minus cos A. So what I will do, sin square A divided by sin A cos A, cos square A divided by sin A cos A, sin A cos A divided by sin A cos A. Sin upon cos, cos upon sin, 1. Tan A cot A plus 1. Hope you are getting it मेरा बच्चा लोग. समझ में आया दिख रहा है लोग? Easy sum, manageable, very beautiful sum beta. Sure. Let us do the sixth one now. So beta, we start with LHS. Sec square A plus cosec square. Sec square is 1 upon cos square A. Cosec square is 1 upon sin square A. sin square a plus cos square a upon sin square a cos square a. 1 upon sin square a cos square a. When you take a square root, we get sin a cos a. But from here on, but from this position, to get tan a plus cot a is practically like, we have to do lots of work. Okay? So I insist, pause and start with RHS. Tan a plus cot a. Tan a is sin upon cos. Cot is cos upon sin. Take LCM. You get sin square a, cos square a, sin a, cos a. You get 1 upon sin a, cos a. Therefore, LHS equals to RHS, hence proved. So, beta, in this sum, basically I did half LHS, half RHS to get the answer. Sometimes if you get stuck, start with RHS. Solve half LHS, half RHS. Let us move to the next sum. 4 more sums, beta. Only 10 sums for this particular part of video. Sin A plus cos A into sec A plus cosec A is equals to 2 plus sec A cosec A. Let us start. What is sec A? 1 upon cos A. What is cosec A? 1 upon sin A. Take LCM, beta. Sin A plus cos A upon sin A cos A. That gives you sin A plus cos A the whole square upon sin A cos A. Expand करो बेटा. A square plus B square plus 2AB. Okay, but we all know sin square plus cos square is 1 plus sin square plus cos square is 1. So we get 1 plus 2 sin A cos A upon sin cos. Now split the LCM, beta. 1 upon sin A cos A plus 2 sin A cos A upon sin A cos A. Cancel. But 1 upon sin is cosec A. 1 upon cos is sec A plus 2. So we get answer is 2 sec A cosec A. Understood मेरा बच्चा लोग? Easy sum था? हाँ, quite easy. But interesting. Please pause this video. Go through this video. Try to do it on your own. Beta, convert everything into sin and cos. So sin A upon cos A plus cos A upon sin A. Cosec is 1 upon sin A. Sec is 1 upon cos A. Take LCM. Sin square A plus cos square A upon sin A cos A. 1 minus sin square A upon sin A. 1 minus cos square A upon cos A, beta. Okay. You get 1 upon sin A cos A. Beta, 1 minus sin square is cos square A. Cos square, sin square. 1. Ninth one. Cot square A minus cot square B is equals to cos square A minus cos square B upon sin square A into sin square B is equals to cosec square A minus cosec square B. Okay. चलो, so we can start with cot square a minus cot square b. बेटा I know there is a direct relation between cot and cosec. ठीक है, so with your permission can I write cot as cosec square a minus 1, cot square will be cosec square b minus 1. बेटा ब्रैकेट ओपन, बेटा ब्रैकेट ओपन करो बेटा, माइनस कोसेक स्क्वायर बी प्लस 1, 1 and 1 got cancelled, you're so left with cosec square a minus cosec square b. ओके मेरे बच्चे लोग, फर्स्ट पार्ट तो प्रूफ हो गया. नाउ व्हाट इज cosec square a? 1 upon sin square a, 1 upon sin square b. बेटा लेट अस टेक एलसीएम बेटा, तो sin square b minus sin square a upon sin square a into sin square b. ओके मेरे बच्चे लोग, so we are here sin square b minus sin square a upon sin square a sin square b. Beta, but we want cos only, so convert sin to cos. So sin square b I write it down as 1 minus cos square b, sin square a I write it down as 1 minus cos square a upon sin square a sin square b. 1 minus cos square b minus 1 plus cos square a upon sin square a sin square b. 1 and 1 got cancelled, rearrange it, you get cos square a minus cos square b upon sin square a into sin square b. But I'm just observing the RHS and just trying to solve. RHS को देख के मेरा आंसर मैं shuffle करता रहता है. चलो, hope so everyone got it. Now we shall move to the last sum of that part and of the chapter. Beta, this is the last sum of type 3 part 2 video and also the last sum for the chapter. So we have divided the chapter into 3 types, okay, depending on the different difficulty level and the varieties of the sum, nothing else. So please go through all videos, all sums very beautifully solved. It will be very, very beneficial to you. Since we want in 10, 1 plus 10 चाहिए, तो cot is 1 upon 10 we know. Sec square is 1 plus 10 square. Take LCM, 1 minus 10 upon 10 बेटा. 2 minus 1 minus 10 square है. 1 minus 10 है. बेटा what is 1 upon 10? Cot है. Okay. वन माइनस 10 स्क्वायर इज 1 minus 10 है. 1 plus 10 है. 1 minus 10 got cancelled. You're left with cot a upon 1 plus 10. ठीक है मेरे बच्चे लोग, तुम लोग को ये समझा. 1 upon 10 I wrote as cot. 1 upon 10 I wrote as cot. ठीक है बेटा. Hope so everyone got this sum बेटा. Hope so you're comfortable with each and every sum. Please make sure you revise each and every sum. Go through the video again and again. It will be very, very, very helpful to you. Thank you so much for listening us out. Have a great day.